How to make low health effects in Roblox Studio. Add a screen GUI to the starter GUI, named LowHealth GUI. Add an image label named LowHealth Overlay. Find an overlay image and customize it as desired. In this example, I will add the sound of a heartbeat and a heart stop. Name the heart sound and death sound. Add local script in LowHealth GUI. Writing the script. This script will add screen effects and sound effects based on the player's remaining health. Set variables and GUI elements. This function checks the player's health and updates the visual and audio effects. Adjust overlay transparency. Turn on and off sound effects. Adjust the volume and speed of sound effects. The function runs every time health changes, and it's called once immediately to set up the effects. When the player character respawns, this function waits for a humanoid object. Call Connect Humanoid to start tracking health. The effect starts immediately if the character already exists, and it sets up the effect every time the character respawns. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.